Bollywood actresses who got emotional and cried in public. Alia Bhatt. This actress broke down like a kid on the stage during the trailer launch of her second film, Highway by Imtiaz Ali. Alia could not control her tears and cried uncontrollably on the stage at her sister Shine's book launch event. Deepika Padukone. Deepika broke down at a public event while sharing her struggles with depression for a few years and how she got cured. The actress has also cried while receiving awards and while giving speech. Even during Ranveer Singh's speech, she got teary-eyed. Kangana Ranaut. This Bollywood actress is known for her very strong attitude in front of media and public, but something made her cry too. She broke down once at an event while saying that stars are not given the privacy they needed in their personal life. Madhuri Dixit. Being the judge of a reality show, many great and amazing performances has made this Bollywood actress. Once she was shown her pictures from her younger days at a show and she got nostalgic and could not control her tears. Nargis Fakhri. She is an American but here in India. She visits temples often and once she broke down at Ganesh temple during Ganesh Utsav. When the actress was asked that why she was crying, she replied that the place and the spirit of the people overwhelmed her. Aishwarya Rai. Aishwarya Rai has never talked too openly in front of media, but at one interview she broke down. During one press conference, this actress was asked about her father and she broke down while telling about him. Shilpa Shetty. This actress is often seen getting teary-eyed while judging reality shows after watching some performances. Shilpa cried uncontrollably when she was the contestant of reality show Big Brother when a fellow contestant made a racial comment on her. Rani Mukherjee. Rani Mukherjee is the Bahu of the Chopra family and she has worked with the legendary filmmaker Yash Chopra multiple times. At the event of unveiling the statue of Yash Chopra, Rani Mukherjee got nostalgic and was not able to control her tears. Preity Zinta. The bubbly actress could not control her tears when her IPL team Kings 11 Punjab lost a vital match. Manisha Koirala. Manisha Koirala battled a long battle with the deadly disease cancer, came out with victory. While talking about her battle with the disease, Manisha Koirala could not control her tears at an event. Dia Mirza. This Bollywood actress once broke down during an interview as she got the message of Kobe Bryant passing away in a plane crash. She also could not control her tears in an interview while talking about the climate change and its effects on environment. Jaya Bachchan. The veteran Bollywood actress is always spotted in angry mood, scolding the media people. Once she was spotted crying continuously at the prayer meet of the brave girl of our nation, Nirbhaya. Kiran Kher. She is the judge of a reality show and many great performances at the show has made her eyes teary. Once a great performance of a group of differently able kids made the actress cry like a kid at the show. Shabana Azmi. This talented actress was spotted at the prayer meet of Nirbhaya where she was crying uncontrollably. What are your thoughts about their emotional moments and do you think their tears were real? Comment your views below and subscribe our channel for more updates.